Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and doing fun in your life, and I'm going to show you beautiful crochet sweater pattern today. And so here I have completed these 8 rounds of this brown color. Now I'm going to make the border of this same color at the end of this sweater. As you can see, this is the end of this sweater. I am going to make the border with this same color, brown color. First of all, we will make chain 1 and we'll make double crochet, taking the yarn from this double crochet at the bottom. Look at this. Now we will make a double crochet from the back side of this next double crochet. I'll show you again. First of all, we will make double crochet from the upper side of this double crochet. Now we are going to make a double crochet from the back side of next double crochet. Look at this. Now in the next, we are going to make from the upper side. Now we have to repeat the same procedure as we done before. We are making double crochet from the back side. Now from upper side. Now from back side. So it looks like this. Now from the upper side. Now from the lower side, from upper side, from lower side. We have to repeat the same procedure till the end of this round to complete this border. So here I completed the first round of our border. Now I'm going to end this round, and we will make the end of this round like this. Is the last double crochet from which we are going to make double crochet from the back side like this. So here is the end of the round. So here we at first we had made a 1 chain space here, so we will make a slip stitch here to end this round. So here our round is completed here. Now we are going to repeat the same procedure, chain 1, double crochet. So now here we have to make double crochet in the repeat version, that if the double crochet is in upper side, we have to make the double crochet in the upper side, and if the double crochet in the back side, so we have to make the double crochet from the back side. As you can see, the next one is from upper side, so we are making double crochet from upper side. Now from lower side. Look at this. This is the little final look of after second round of our border. This is from the lower side, so we are going to make it from the lower side. This double crochet is at upper side, so we are going to make it from upper side. So here I have completed this border. As you can see, this is very nice, and this is completed in 5 rounds. This border is completed in 5 rounds. I have repeated the same procedure as we done before, and I ended up like this.